Hey, what's up, guys? Kicking with Riley here. What's up? You started?
Yo, birthday special! Birthday special!
What the hell is this?
The flash is on.
Hey! Hey!
Today we're gonna go to Taco Bell. Oh my.
Like the most spiciest, the spicy.
Today we're gonna make some Asian
So Cindy
food.
made me eat one, and it actually made me cry. We're actually in the wrong aisle. Has flames on it.
Oh.
I know what you're talking
I know
about.
what you're talking about.
Yeah, that no.
No?
That's
the blackest of the black.
It's this. They changed it. This one has. This is a 2-pack though.
So they have like...
I don't think we're gonna tolerate 2 packs.
Sure we will.
A box? A box? Spicy flavor. So what's your game plan today for cooking, Caesar?
I'm gonna make the soup. Should we take one for Trish? Well, let's take one like a chicken one. He's not gonna eat this.
We're gonna make them and then we're gonna eat them.
It's gonna be a mukbang. The Asian people that eat food on camp.
It's not always Asian people. Can we see? Oh yeah.
Hey.
Hey!
I'm Chance.
Alright!
I'm Caesar. Oh! This is this is a nice bag. Come on, man.
In today's episode, noodles. To make these noodles, you need.
Here. No.
Oh
no!
To make these noodles, you might just need to kill yourself. It smells like fish in there.
Oh yeah.
Is somebody back to me? Oh my god. Come on, buddy, get in the kitchen, get in the kitchen.
Alright, we're not... Okay, we're getting the pot. Not that kind.
Oh.
We don't have any more. So you're gonna need...
I'm not trying to bag you, okay? Just like be calm and be patient. There you go.
Thank you, everybody.
Spicy noodles? God, I look like I got eczema.
Flex it.
We're making 3 packs for Tupac.
3. Yeah, we actually hid Riley in the basement for this video. Is it only Japanese? I figured it out.
Wheat flour, palm oil, salt. They do have that's ingredients. Next to the Japanese.
Oh, I
Or
don't
Chinese.
read in general. Add noodles into 2.5 cups of boiling water. Wait, it's not boiling. Oh well. Turn it on.
You left the packet in there?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh my god, you stoop. It's probably hot.
I can read Japanese, don't worry.
Sesame, it says sesame on it.
Sesame oil.
Oh, do we need that? It's wet.
No, that's wet. It was in the water.
It says remove from heat.
Oh my god, you mean? Where's the flame?
I think girls actually have
Did you throw the oil packet everywhere?
Yeah, it has like an oil packet and I threw it
See
in
it?
the pot.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna need a...
No!
Oh! Who threw that in there?
Please don't burn my hands down.
Your one and only.
Can you give me one?
We're making a cup of noodles, Mom. How do you do it in the...
You know how to make a cup of noodles?
I don't know how to do it in this.
You boil. You just boil it.
It just seems
We have to turn the fire on to start with.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah. Turned it
We had
off.
an accident.
We had a accident.
What did you do?
I did it.
What did you do?
This thing flew in the fire.
Yeah. We had to catch it on fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We stayed calm and we handled
Oh, we're making a video. I'll put that in. Put that up.
Break it up, break it up.
Oh my god. It's looking good. I think we put too much. much.
We probably should have like brought it to a boil and then put it in.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
accidentally did that though the first packet. I was just like, we're gonna throw 3 packs of this in.
Yeah, make it spicy.
I think we do that after.
Me?
I said we do it after.
Oh, goodness.
Should we do an in-between segment taste?
Oh yeah.
Riley, wanna do an in-between segment taste?
Maybe, yeah.
You buy, it looks fun when you buy it. You open it up and you smell it.
I was good at this show.
Why does it actually work? No, okay, there's still a whole lot.
Do you think the camera will pick this up?
It's my backpack.
Oh, sorry. Put in more air.
Time for a
This is cooking.
taste test.
No, it's not.
Come on, Christian.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually have one.
Christian.
I take it back.
Yeah, this
We
is
should've waited
cooking
for
with
that.
seasoning.
Hot chicken flavor
It's
squid.
not pure.
I'm sorry.
It actually smells like dog food.
That's
falling
way
out,
too
dude.
much. That's way too much.
Just take a piece.
It's all like connected. It's a squid.
Hey, Christian.
I don't even think I.
Take a little piece like this.
It's chicken flavored squid. I mean, what's the worst that can
How does it
happen?
taste?
This tastes like the crab Cindy used to feed us.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
It just tastes like spicy crab.
We don't recommend this.
It's not spicy, it just tastes like crap.
It is a bit spicy. Don't worry about that. What?
Why do you keep spilling water? Okay, now I get the tingle. from the chili. Tingle.
And you have to turn it counterclockwise. Wait. You have to turn it clockwise.
Like, I like squid and all, but not that one. Accurate. I eat things I don't like anyways.
Her face is getting red.
Oh, sorry. It is?
Yeah, a little bit.
Make a good piece.
My face is still eczema.
They look good enough, man. I'm
You
serious.
want a noodle?
Riley, stop! You're stirring it too hard.
You get one.
There's 3.
I'm getting the sesame oil.
Yeah, you can do all the sesame oil.
I'll do all the sesame oil.
I don't think this is healthy.
That looks so spicy. That I don't like that color.
No, just
No.
stir it in right now, dude. It's gonna like settle into one noodle.
Here. I don't even know who this guy is. Really?
It's not sticking to the noodle, it's sticking to the broth.
Oil her up.
Can't oil her up. She's too.
That hurt my throat.
blue.
Yeah, now it's more orange.
True.
I'll make it about
Oh.
politics.
Topical.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
There.
I think
There we go. Now it's starting to smell.
Watch them just not be spicy at all. And then we drink the broth and it kills us.
Alright, so now I propose the main question. Who gets to eat? Because Chance only has 2 balls.
You don't want any, Christian.
Yeah, I don't want.
Okay, you can try some of mine.
What? I'm good. I'm good, man. I'll take a bowl if it makes you sleep better.
Help! Bring your
Serve me.
You're wet.
Feels like communist
Here,
China.
wipe your bowl if your bowl's wet.
It's not.
James.
Get, the,
I'm
get
also
that
gonna-
broth in there. No, give him the.
I'm gonna need a
Get a spoon. Yeah,
What the hell are you doing, Riley? Riley, just open it from the top.
yeah.
No.
Hey, hey!
Okay, ready?
Rather than see you.
It's not even mixed right here.
Tug it with the camera. Ew. You remember that I'm driving him home. No. No, I'm good.
Not a lot.
Okay.
That's good.
Oh my gosh.
There, yeah.
What's actually happening to me, guys? I have eczema. Look at this. Do you want me to get out the drinks?
Sure.
They got tea.
I don't think it's even good.
I got aloe vera.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hey. All right,
I am
guys.
out of
Here we have our spicy noodles, and we also have our drinks. So, Big Man Caesar got aloe vera.
Super senior.
I got a salted lime drink. Chance got
I got orange.
orange, and then he's got that
Yeah, he's
Okay.
got Dr. Pepper.
Loner pepper.
Oh, there.
So guys, do you want to do drinks first?
Let's do drinks.
Take a sip and see.
Oh my god.
Do you not like yours?
What are you eating?
This is our cult. Dot tastes like orange. It tastes like expired orange.
Mine didn't. I mean, mine tasted like salted lime. I'm pretty pleased.
Does it taste like Caesar?
Salt.
Salt, yeah.
It tastes just like a ramen noodle, to be honest.
I am not pleased. I'm starting to get it. A little bit. As I get closer.
Maybe.
And guys, this actually works as pet food too.
We're actually gonna go get our friend's grandma's Chihuahua, and she's gonna try.
Her name is Ruby.
We're gonna keep it traditional here. Remember that in Asian countries, it's proper to slurp your food.
Right.
I got the bra.
Hong Fook Tong. What'd you say about my mom?
You remember like that one YouTube video that's really old, like, wanna see how animals eat their food?
Went to the doctor's last weekend.
Did we mention that yet?
The toe in the stew.
Oh.
Yo.
That's what it would be like.
Yeah, why do you like?
But don't just spit it out.
Hey,
Oh, it's a toe!
I like the fat lady. That was weird.
Oh, the one smiling?
Mm-hmm.
That was creepy.
It kind of reminded me. No, it was a woman. It reminded me. Can't put that in the video.
Anybody have leftover broth?
Yeah.
You have leftover noodles.
I have leftover everything.
Oh, you didn't even make your noodles.
I know. I threw them at Caesar.
Just going in the hot zone, guys. Going in the hot zone.
Oh my god, that feels like hell.
You heard it here first.
Remember guys, go follow our sponsors, the Food Network.
Yeah, right here. Food Network.
Thanks for the cool
What
table.
was the name of like that one guy? This was sponsored by Cooking with Jack.
Stop!
I got like 20 noodles and now my appetite's completely gone. Good job, team.
I want more pot.
Nice.
A pie.
Chance, you want me to
Whoa.
serve you more?
Whoa, man, I just said hi.
Chat! Do you want me to serve you more?
Yeah, man, thanks. Jellyfish.
I'm gonna do in the bowl.
I won't do it again. Smaller jellyfish. I'll get it. Let's just hug it out real quick. Bigger jellyfish. Went down the wrong pipe.
It doesn't feel good in my stomach. I can feel my stomach like.
Tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, my stomach says, could you shoot a lens?
Okay.
Who's a lens?
Hot.
No. No. The table.
The table.
Why'd you let me because I'm on the table?
You wanted to.
It's a web.
I said I wanted to be Spider-Man. They're just gonna think Jay got 10.
You just gotta cough into the camera.
He just did a J face. He was like,
Hands, why are you being into the trash can?
What? Anybody want the rest of this?
I think your dog might want it.
Yeah.
Feed it to Ruby.
Oh, dessert time.
and
I got cake.
mochi.
Yeah, you got cake.
You right.
The camera, yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I can tell you barely touched it.
Hung Fook Tong.
Yeah, whoever that is.
So for dessert here, we got mochi.
Do we need the box?
No. Come on, birthday boy. But here, we'll sing a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Day.
dear Chancy Poo.
Chance.
New arts. Ha.
Birthday to
cold.
you.
It's ice cream. It's supposed to be
many more on Channel 4. And Scooby-Doo
on Channel 3.
On Channel 3.
Good job.
Tastes like ice cream.
Yo!
Well, this is kind of like a
Yeah, it has
gooey consistency.
it has
and then
like
ice cream in the middle.
yeah, it has like foreskin.
Yeah, it tastes sweet though.
It's like the Jews. No. He got some of the fork.
Oh my god.
No, I don't.
Do
No.
it for the views. Do it for the views.
No.
Do it for the views.
He thought about it.
No.
Bring it closer.
Why are you serious about that?
They actually use pigskin on the outside.
Why don't you just die already? Okay, so what's everybody's final conclusion?
I
think it's still recording, right?
I hate the
hate
Chinese.
Chinese food.
All right, so we have pretty good overall. We have pretty good overall reviews of this stuff.
Yeah, my thoughts are positive. All I have to shut up! All I have to say about this is that it's really delicious.
I make poopy.
Yeah. We're gonna go poop.
Together.
And if you don't like this, you probably read Santa's lap backwards.